Welcome to Nursing Empire channel and myself Pratyusha Chowdhury. You forgot something? Yes. If you have not subscribed till now, just go to the bell icon, click on that to subscribe to this channel for the next coming updates. Wait. There's an important note for you. After the completion of this video, you have an interesting quiz to test your knowledge. Please do not miss that. So watch the video completely and test your knowledge about how far you understood the drug calculations. So let's begin. In this session, we are going to specially learn about infusions. So what are these infusions called as? Always we call it as max or MCG. This would be going with dopa, dobuta, all this. Let's do this session now. What is this infusion calculations? The infusion calculations formula is mcg into kg into ml into 60 minutes divided by mg into 1000. This also can be called as mcg means max, that is micrograms, into kg, the body weight of the person, where we are calculating, and ml. What is this ml? How much is there in the stock volume? So this is called as ml. Either you can write ml or you can write either as stock volume. This is also accepted. Into 60 minutes means per hour only we are calculating in the infusion calculation. So how much ml per hour means 60 minutes we'll be adding there. And mg, what is this mg? It's also called as stock dose. So stock dose means complete what is there in the stock dose and stock volume. So this is what we are doing. And then coming to this 1000, why we got this 1000 here? Because mcg we have to convert this, and mg is also there. For the conversion sake, we have got 1000 here. So this is our formula. Now let's get back to the methodology. What is our first step is to identify the question type. Second step is to write the formula and what is required for the formula. And third step is again so easy. It is applying the formula and analyze the answer. Do not forget to write the units, please. Because if it is ml per hour, if you write GTT per minute, so obviously your answer will be wrong. Try to write what is required for your formula. And coming to the examples which we have to learn, the examples, just a minute. What is the first example saying about? So doctor's order is dobutamine 4 mcg per kg per minute. This we have to give through infusion. And the patient weight is 198 lb. You are supplied with a bag of dobutamine that reads 250 mg per 250 ml. And how many ml per hour you will administer? Do not confuse this with the ml per hour. This question, whenever you see MCG question, it is obviously stating you to go with only this calculations of infusions. Do not calculate ml per hour there. You have to calculate what is the MCG. All this the calculation should be needed. Please don't go back to this liquid calculations or the fluid calculations where they are talking about ml per hour. Here it is totally different. Anywhere can you see the total number of hours? No, we can't see here. That is the only difference. But in the fluid calculation, you will be watching about ml per hour means you will be seeing also how many hours you have to administer. But in this, you will never have that. You will be calculating only per hour. So that's a clue. Coming to this, what is our formula? Coming to our formula, mcg into kg multiplied by ml means total stock volume into 60 minutes. So this is our formula. 60 minutes means per hour, 60 minutes we have. So we will be doing that. Coming to how it will be divided by? It will be divided by mg, or you can also write as stock dose. Either into how much? That is 1000, because we have mcg conversions here. Now let us write what is required for our formula. Total mcg. What is required for our formula? First is mcg. What is the total mcg? 4 mcg. And then what is how many kgs? Kgs. They have given not in kgs. They have given in lbs. So what we have to write here? We have to convert this 198 lb to kg. Again, please remember what is the metric calculation here. If we do that, you will be getting the answer of, because 198 divided by 2.2 means 1 lb is equals to 1 kg is equals to 2.2 lb. So we are getting this answer. That is totally, you will be getting an option of 90 kgs. I'm sorry. So this is 90 kgs So if we convert this into kg, then you will be getting 90 kgs. So these are directly we can apply this. Then what is the ml? Total amount of fluid which has been given is 250. Please do not forget like what is ml, what is mg, you have to see. Ml is 250 again, and down to this we have mg. What is the mg that they have given is again 250 mg. Okay, and finally 1000 will be the same. Now let us keep this into the formula application. That is the second step. What is the third step, which we have to apply this into your formula. What is the mcg? 4 into how many kgs? 90 kgs into ml, 250 ml into means multiplied by 60 whole divided by mg is again 250 multiplied by 1000. If you calculate infusions, please always be aware, even 1 0 is wrong, obviously you're going wrong with all the zeros. Calculate your zeros in the calculator and do the same in your book also when you're doing the practice. And if it is 250 into 1000 means 2,50,000. So I've just calculated it like that. And if you do this, it will be 5,400,000. So this is our calculation. If we divide both of this is 5,400,000 divided by 2,50,000, then your answer would be 21.6 ml per hour. Please, it's not GTT per minute, it is ml per hour. And now if we round it up, doesn't need to round it up when we are, because you will be giving through the infusion one, so the machine will be easy for you to go with the drops also. 21.6 ml can be also kept, so it doesn't need to round it up. In case if you wanted to round it up, the answer would be 22 ml per hour. So this is our answer. So let's move on to the second example. So what is our second example? The second example is talking about administered dobutamine 5 mcg. So let's take our pen again. 60 kg and available is dobutamine 250 mg in 50 ml ns saline, normal saline. And how many ml per hour will the nurse administer? This is our question. So what we have to do is, we know our formula and we have understood the question. They are asking us to do ml per hour. It is not total amount of fluid divided by number of hours. We have to calculate the mcg. So you have to go for only infusion formula. Formula is mcg into kg into ml into 60 minutes divided by mg into 1000. So this is our formula. Now let us write what is required for our formula. mcg, what is our mcg that they have given? This is 5 mcg. Next, what is the patient's weight? That weight is means kg we have to write. The kgs, number of kgs are 60 kgs. And then if you see what is the total mg, means ml we have to calculate. Ml is 50 ml. Next 60 minutes are the same, and then 250 mg is same. So this is what we need to require for our formula to apply this into the formula. Now let us calculate this. If it is 5 multiplied by 60 means mcg into kg into ml. Total ml is 50 ml. So 50 into total minutes is 60 minutes. So 60 minutes divided by, next is mg into 1000. 250 into 1000 we are doing it. What is our answer would be, it's the same. So 250 into 1000 to 2000, 2,50,000 means what is the top one? It would be 9 lakhs. If you calculate this, you will be getting an answer of 3.6 ml per hour. So this is our answer. Is it easy? Yes. Let's do the third example also. Third example also will be similar, where they have already calculated for us how to do this kgs, right? Now let us do this again, like we have to take our pen. Okay, let's do that. Administer dopamine 5 mcg per kg per minute, and your total patient's weight is 210 lb. Already they have calculated that kg for you. And what is the total dopamine mg? Means what is the stock dose? It is 200 mg. And what is the stock volume? It is 250 ml of ns. And what we have to do is we have to calculate the ml per hour. Will the nurse administer? How much will the nurse administer? And you have to round the ml per hour to the whole number. Here they have specified for your question. Please do that. Now, what is our formula? mcg into kg into ml into 60 minutes divided by mg into 1000. This is our formula. Now, let us write what is required for our formula. mcg is what? 5 mcg. And what is our kgs? So already they have written that, converted that into kgs, that is 95 kgs. And what is the ml? Total ml is 250 ml of ns, so 250. And what is the total mg they have given? It is 200 mg. Please do not forget to write like what is required for your formula, so that you will not go wrong in your answering, and try to calculate it properly. When you are using your calculators, please do write it properly. So 5 into 95 into 250 into 60 whole divided by 200 multiplied by 1000. Is it easy? It's the easiest formula of all. Okay, 5 into 95 into 250 divided into 60 means almost you will be getting 7,125,000 divided by 2 lakhs, because 200 into 1000 is equal to 2 lakhs. I don't use the calculator for this. Okay, and this is a whole, you will be getting 35.625. so ignore this 225, and you can calculate it, round it up to the 35.6, means you will be getting around, the answer will be 36 ml per hour. So this is our answer. Rocked it. All these infusion calculations are just similar like this. You have to go to the quiz to check what did you understand from this session. Please do the quiz quickly again and come back to the next session.